Hello, this is the first recording for exploCFD installation and running. Of course, before you run it, you just want to make sure that you have everything in order so that it'll run smoothly without any errors. I'm going to do two things. The first is to make sure that I have the 64-bit version of Java installed. So to do that, it's very easy to check. You just type CMD, you get a command window, and then you just type Java space dash version. Okay, and you can see it says 64-bit. If you don't see the 64-bit in the response, then you need to install it. And how do we install it? You go here, you go to this. It's in the. You should have the link in the installation page. Java 64. So it's here, and that's the that's over here. So that's this Windows offline 64-bit 79.19 megabytes. You need to install that to make sure that exploCFD will run. The second thing we need to do is we need to make sure that our settings file, so you go here to settings, this one. If you can't see the .xml, you just go to view and you click on your file extensions here. I go to settings.xml and just edit it with Notepad or something. And we're going to just change the information that's here depending on where your SU2 is sitting. So you go into SU2, you go into the SU2 folder, click on that, click on sequential, okay, click on bin, and that's the folder that you want. So you copy that path, and then you go here. You highlight, see where it says path to SU2, you highlight from C to just after bin. Okay, so you just leave dash SU2 CFD intact and you go Control V, and that's the first part. Control S to save, minimize. Let's go back here, exploCFD, Paraview, bin, same thing. Okay, so I've gone to the Paraview folder here, what you should have from installation of Paraview, another Paraview, bin, copy that path from here, copy, and then you go back to the folder and you highlight all the way to just before the dash, just to the end of bin, and again Control V, and just save and close. That's it. You're ready to go. If I double click here on exploCFD on start, and I've made sure that these three steps are okay, exploCFD should start up. You should get the splash screen and the GUI. The next one will show you how to load a drawing and what to do with drawings. Just so stay tuned for that.